Dubai Internet City welcomes you to another edition of Dubai Tech Nights, a regular networking event of IT professionals and enthusiasts. The evening began as techies converged to talk about the latest developments in technology and discussed ways to fuel entrepreneurship and innovation in the region. Presentations were given by a range of speakers on technological topics, followed up by a Q&A session. Dubai Tech Nights was another opportunity in this series of events for participants to learn about technology trends taking shape and to foster links within our business community.
Today I have come to talk about Nakhudi, which is our flagship payment gateway project. A bit background about Emaratech. Emaratech is a private organization owned by Government of Dubai, situated at Dubai Media City. The main functions of Emaratech is to do business service processing, both technology and business services for government agencies. Our clients are primarily Emirates ID, Dubai Immigration, Ministry of Interiors, Real Estate Regulator Authority, Dubai Economic Development, and many more agencies. What we do is we do a complete pre-registration of business services for consumers on behalf of our clients, process the initial business validations, rules, and then pass on the data for the services. Nakhudi acts as a payment gateway provider to collect funds for these services online, so that the service is done online end-to-end and it is processed by the respective agencies.
We were here tonight to introduce the concept of crowd investing and our company, which serves as a crowd investing marketplace. Eureka is a game-changing new product here in the Middle East, and it looks to provide a solution to a key problem that startups and new businesses face, which is access to capital. We've created a crowd investing marketplace that allows new and existing businesses that need to raise capital to meet the crowd, i.e. many investors, large and small, experts and novices, that are interested in investing in new businesses. The deal ticket is from very low points, very democratic, so an individual investor can invest as low as $100 in a new business. So it opens up the investment market to a very large group of individuals.
Hi, my name is Ali Sinai, and Zaid Jawad, my partner, and myself were invited here tonight by Dubai Tech Nights to talk about our experience as the founding partners of RoundMenu.com, both from a personal perspective as well as talking about the business and what we do as RoundMenu.com. So our business actually is a website at the moment focused on Dubai that allows diners to find, book and get promotions at restaurants of their choice here at the moment in Dubai. We are scaling out to the rest of the UAE and then the GCC and then the Levant in that order over the next 6 months or so. The way that Round Menu works is once the diner comes to the restaurant and finds the restaurant they want to dine at, they will simply book the restaurant that they want through our website or through our mobile apps, and their vouchers are delivered to them via SMS. So the diner will just take the SMS into the restaurant with them, show it if they need to, and hopefully not, because the restaurant will already have the details, and get their promotion and get their discounts at that restaurant.
I think it's a great event to meet with other entrepreneurs, with other technology fun in Dubai, and also to have an overview of what's happening in the market in terms of trend and the new innovative product and service like the application that they present tonight.
It's an amazing environment to be here because you get to network, you get to formulate your ideas a lot better, and you get to sort of mix with like-minded individuals that have similar types, the similar sort of concepts to yourself, and the ability to be in an environment where you can pitch your idea and get constructive feedback.
Thoroughly enjoyed the event, and I look forward to coming again next month, hopefully.